Hello, what is your name?
I'm Juliet C. Tomas,
How old are you?
30 years old,
What is your religion?
Christian.
Are you married?
Yes,
Do you have kids?
yes,
How many kids do you have?
1,
How old?
3 years old,
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
8 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes,
Okay, so how many years?
2 years in Taiwan,
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
8 months.
Where's your employer living in?
In Taikok Joy Colon,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,400 square feet,
How many family member there?
6 family member,
How many children?
2 children,
How old are they now?
2 years old and 1 newborn.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Yes, I wake up in the morning, cleaning the house, preparing their foods of the baby, take care of the children, tutoring the children, give nursery rhyme to the children, give bathing to the children, and cleaning, cooking, household chores.
Okay, do you go market?
No,
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
I prepare the dinner 7 o'clock p.m.
Okay, so what time they eat?
8 o'clock.
What time you go to bed?
I will go to the bed and I finish the kitchen, tidy up like that.
Okay, thank you so much.